Types of articles. It is important to understand the main types of scientific articles that could be primary, secondary, or tertiary. A researcher should be able to communicate in the most effective way and present the findings to maximize the benefits. So if you are a very ambitious researcher, you can produce your very own original article or new scientific discoveries. Producing primary research requires courage, insight, and critical thinking. Case reports are now considered as a scholarly publication. A case report is a detailed summary of the signs and symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up of an individual patient. A case series is a collection of case reports involving patients who were given similar treatment. Dissertation or thesis is a long piece of writing based on original research. It is usually submitted as part of a PhD or master's accomplishment. Study designs that include observational and interventional studies are outside the scope of this video and will be discussed later. Secondary sources that come from primary sources could be books. A narrative or literature review article includes nearly all elements or aspects of a particular topic or problem. They are very useful for getting a broad perspective on a specific topic or problem. It doesn't require any quantitative method to produce a review article. A review article is considered a publication, but it is very hard to get it accepted. Only journals that themselves request to produce a review article are likely to get published. A systematic review collects available information by setting a defined, systematic approach to answer a research question. It requires careful, pre-planned scientific research strategy like inclusion and exclusion criteria, selection of studies, and critical appraisal before a final conclusion can be drawn. A meta-analysis is, however, a statistical procedure that combines numerical data from multiple studies to summarize the pooled results. Other secondary sources could be opinion and commentaries. Tertiary sources compile other sources. Tertiary sources' main purpose is to summarize, list, and revamp information. They could be dictionaries, fact books, Wikipedia, indexing, and abstracting sources. In post-technology era, the means of communication are sprouting from podcast to webinar to video tutorials. The aim therefore is to fill the gaps in the literature to produce quality documents, increase the chances of publications and viewership, and most importantly, to benefit the society and eventually the entire world.